Hello, Nargis, are you there? Nargis,
Yes, ma'am.
just you share the screen, ma.
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I start, sir? Dharmarajan, sir? Dr. Dharmarajan, sir, shall I start?
Just a minute.
Oh,
Okay, you can start. All the best.
A very warm welcome to everyone present here in this virtual international conference. It's my great pleasure to welcome our session chairperson, Professor Dr. Dharmarajan, sir. We truly honored to have you with us today, sir. Your presence and guidance will surely inspire all of us, sir. Thank you, sir. We will start.
Shall I start, ma'am?
You can start.
Good morning to everyone. Myself, I'm Nati from Rajeswari College of Arts and Science for Women. I'm currently pursuing my master's in computer science. My presentation topic is energy efficient design for mobile head-up system. So this topic is mainly focused on wireless sensor network like mobile head-up system and improving how data is transferred in an efficient and energy-saving way. So, mobile head-up system is often called as mobile head-up network. It is a type of wireless sensor network where devices communicate directly with each other without the need of any infrastructure. The main objective of our research is to design an energy-efficient and traffic-aware routing technique for wireless sensor networks, specifically in mobile head-up network system. So, we are using a random forest classification for it. So, introduction to wireless sensor network. Wireless sensor networks are group of small sensor nodes that collect the data and send it to the central node. So, wireless sensor networks are group of sensor nodes. The main purpose of this sensor is to monitor and observe the atmospheric condition like the temperature, humidity in the current area, and these sensors collect those data and send it to the central node, which is also called as a sync node. So, our main aim is to make this process more energy efficient and reduce the packet loss while sending the data. So, we have taken a two existing system for this. The first existing system is the CLTS, which stands for Condition Aware and Traffic Load Balancing Scheme. So, this system tries to avoid the network condition. So, if more number of sensors are sending in a same path, the condition will occur. So it tries to avoid the network condition by selecting the best node, and also it uses a technique called local repair. If any blockage occur in that data transmission route, redirect into the another path. So because of it, it causes a high amount of packet lossage. So the next existing system is the DTAR, Distributed Traffic Aware Routing. So it uses the depth and traffic, the current distance and traffic in that specified path to find the best route for the efficient data transmission. But it does not manage the bandwidth and memory properly, and still the condition happens. So the problem we have faced in the about two existing systems are like high packet lossage, more number of packets are lost in the local repair technique, and more energy is consumed. Since the sensor uses a battery for the data transmission, more number of energy are consumed by the sensor and poor memory and bandwidth usage. So we need a better solution for this problem. So we have proposed a system called RFC Carrier. So it is a machine learning. So it uses a machine learning called random forest classification. So it classifies, it has multiple decision tree to select the best sensor node for the data transmission. So it checks based on the current traffic in that route path and the memory and bandwidth used by the sensor nodes to choose the most efficient route for the data transmission. How the RFC Tara technique works. So this technique uses the random forest classification to choose the best sensor node for routing process. So based on the traffic load in the current path and the bandwidth and memory usage. So it helps the network adapt intelligently to changing conditions, which is a crucial in mobile ad hoc environment. So it improves the packet delivery and reduces the packet lossage during the transmission process and ensure the efficient resource usage. So here is the flow process of a proposed system. So you can see the group of sensor nodes, the wireless sensor network. You can see the group of small sensor nodes there. So next, we are going to allocate the resource. In the resource utilization, we are going to measure the bandwidth and memory usage of the sensor nodes. So then we are going to apply the random forest classification, which is a machine learning technique to classify the best node. Which node consumes less energy and reduce the memory usage. And then after predicting the best node for the data transmission, we are going to discover the path for it. So discover the adaptive route path. In a memory managed adaptive route path, we are going to discover the path, and finally we are enhancing the traffic aware routing. So the resource utilization. So in resource utilization, we are going to measure the amount of memory and bandwidth utilized by the sensor nodes. So efficient routing depends on estimating the resource usage, and we are focusing on bandwidth and memory usage between the sensor nodes. So higher the bandwidth utilization means better the performance. So they are given the expression for estimating the memory and bandwidth. So next one is the optimal resource random forest classification. So the random forest model consists of multiple decision trees. So it consists of multiple decision trees, and based on the criteria like the current traffic in that path, it selects the best node for the data transmission. It classifies sensor nodes based on the minimum resource usage and helping us to choose the optimal node for data transmission. So next one is the memory managed adaptive route path discovery. So here we are going to discover the route path. So this technique discovers the best route between the source and the destination using the two control messages. Using the two control messages, we are going to discover the best route via route request and route reply. So it adapts based on the memory availability. So at last, we are going to experimental evolution of RFC Terror technique. So we have implemented the RFC Terror technique using the MS2 simulator, and we are going to compare our method with existing system like CLTS and DTR. Let's look at the results. So the results show the clear improvement in the bandwidth utilization and memory used by the sensor nodes. So bandwidth utilization. So bandwidth utilization is the measuring of the data between the nodes at a specific time interval. So it is measured in terms of bits per second. So the bandwidth utilization is higher, the method will be more efficient. So we have given the expression for estimating the bandwidth usage of the sensor nodes. So you can see the comparative table and the graphical representation of the bandwidth usage in the which we have implemented in the MS2 simulator. So our method RFC Terror increased bandwidth utilization by 73% when we are comparing with the CLTS technique, and 41% of bandwidth utilization or increased when we are comparing with the DTAR. So this means we use the available communication capacity more efficiently. So you can see the green lines representing the our proposed model RFC terror, and the red and blue represent the existing system CLTS and DTAR. So in the tablet column you can see the differences. So next we are going to see the memory consumption. So memory
Please go to
consumption
conclusion.
memory consumption is defined as the measuring the specific amount of memory consumed
Please go to
during.
conclusion. Conclusion part. You can go.
Okay,
Go to the
okay, sir.
conclusion.
So, in summary, our technique reduces the packet lossage and consumes the less memory when we are comparing with the other two existing systems. It achieves the high packet delivery ratio with minimum memory utilization. So these are the some of the references. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Nargesh. Okay, my small suggestion: the presentation was very good. Okay, the technology, methodology, way of the presentation, everything it should be very good. My small suggestion is, so try to implement this work any other tool. Okay, so that is very lacking in your part. The concept is very clear, but the implementation part, it's a very lacking. So you can try to any other tool like Python or some other lot of network connection tool is there. Just you can implement and then you can share the result. It will be more useful for the next generation. Very good.
So thank you, sir.
Thank you.
The next presenter, share screen.
Shall I start, sir? Shall I start, sir?
Okay, we can start. Good.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for this wonderful opportunity. I am Fauzula Farveen. I am pursuing my bachelor degree in BSc Computer Science at Rajeswari College of Arts and Science for Women. My topic is about ethical AI in autonomous weapon. This will show how AI is used in the military and why ethics are very important in it. First, let's see. AI is becoming a big part in our life, including in military also. Autonomous weapons means there are machines that can identify and attack the targets without any human help. These machines brings both the opportunity and serious risk also. But this raises big question for us. Are they safe? Are they fair? But the main question is, should machines be allowed to decide the life and death? That what I will discuss today. Let's see the types of the military AI system. First one is drone. We already drone, but these types of drones used in the military for spying, surveillance, and sometimes airstrikes also. Second one is autonomous weapons. It is a machine we already see that will let's see the benefits of AI in defense. First one is protect soldier. It will very useful to protect the soldiers because machines can do dangerous jobs. So we don't need to risk our human life. Second one is faster decision. It is very useful to analyze large data quickly during
Now, please
battle.
go to the implementation part as well as what is the existing and proposed one. The introduction part, just you can skip it down. You can go to the what is the primary work.
Sir,
Dear, please move to the what is the existing work, what is your proposed work. Okay. Can you explain the
sir,
proposed work? Yes, ma'am.
there is already a killer robot, sir. They
Okay.
already used in Russia-Ukraine war.
Okay, okay, understood, ma. Just the introduction part, just you can skip it now. Another thing, what is the implementation part as a methodology, technology, go and present. That is, I think, goal. There is a fundamental. This is another general concept. So, what is the research work? So, what are the work innovation in your research in your
Okay, sir.
paper?
Many countries and United Nations are discussing these machines to ban, but some countries still developing them, sir. Um, it have three levels, sir. First one is human in the loop. It means human will decide the action before the AI. Second one is human on the loop. This will supervise the human. This will supervise. Sorry, sir. Human will supervise the AI action. Third one is human out of the loop. AI will act fully on its own. So the solution is first one is create the international rule to control these AI weapons. Second one is we need transparent AI. Uh, so this action are understandable. The most importantly, we must ensure meaningful human control. Human should always make the final life or death decision. And finally, we should support more ethical research to make sure AI is safe and fair to the military use. In case study, the report says in 2020 in Libya, they use AI drones attack target without any human controls. Uh, in past, some weapon system have failed. This shows the dangers of trusting machines too much. Future outlook. AI will continue to grow in the military. It might reduce death but could also cause new risk if not controlled properly. So we must balance innovation and ethics and work together globally for the safety. To conclude, autonomous weapons are powerful but also dangerous. They can protect soldiers but may cause harm if used without control. War should never be left to machines. Strong global rules and cooperations are necessary. I would like to end with this thought. Technology should always serve humanity, not replace it. Thank you for listening. Any questions?
Very good. First, as a UG student, you are presenting this kind of international conference. First of all, I would like to appreciate for you. Okay,
Thank you,
your
sir.
presentation was it's a very good. The topic selection also very nice. So, in your when you are going to do the UG projects, so you can choose as a drone based as well as the AICT conducting the many conferences, many workshops. Please go and attend, acquire the skill, do the your project work in the drone based. Very good, ma.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next presenter, kindly share your screen.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Susika, currently a principal in second year Department of Computer Science at Rajeswari College. The topic is research on cloud and data mining techniques for effective customer relationship management. These are the abstract. This research explores how the cloud computing and data mining techniques can be integrated to enhance the customer relationship management. We propose a cloud-based CRM analytics system that collects the multiple source customer data, stores and process data at scale in the cloud and apply the data mining methods using the methods clustering, classification, association tools, language analysis, and segmental systems. This is a next introduction. CRM is essential for maintaining the long-term customer relationship. Yeah, data mining has been a necessity for managing and analyzing the large-scale customer data effectively. decision making and personalization. System architecture. The proposed system include data collection layers, cloud storage layers, processing and ELT layers, data mining and analytic layers, visualizations and CRM decisions layers. Proposed methods. Step 1. Collect the data from the multiple CRM sources. Step 2. Store and process data in a cloud environment. Step 3. Apply the data mining algorithm for segmentations and predictions. Step 4. Visualize the insight using the dashboard. Step 5. Evaluate the model performance and the business implementation. Cloud cloud computing components, infrastructure as a service is platform as a service, software as a service, storage service for data, lakes and warehouse. Data mining techniques, cluster.
Please go to the conclusion, Mark.
These are the conclusion. Integrating the cloud computing with the data mining significantly enhance the CRM effectiveness. The proposed framework enable organizations for understanding the customer behavior and personalization enhancement effectively and securely. Thank you, sir.
Very good, Sujata. Your name is Ina?
Susitra, sir.
Susitra, very good, Mark. Another thing, first thing, don't take any fear. Be cool and relaxed. Okay, this is a learning point. First, I'd like to appreciate and congratulate you. Another thing, what is the primary objective of the implementation? What is the main motivation of this paper? Can you able to share?
The primary objective build a cloud native data pipeline for CRM, sir.
Okay.
Storage and processing.
Thank you. Next participant get ready.
Like, okay, sir.
Can I start, sir?
Okay.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Swarna from Rajeswari College of Arts and Science for Women. Now, I'm going to talk about the topic of Zero Trust Security Model, which is a subtitle of Redefining Cyber Security in the Modern Era. This project is mainly focused on implementing a security framework based on the principle of never trust, always verify. Next. Zero Trust Security Model is a modern approach to cyber security that assumes no user or device should be trusted automatically. It follows the principle never trust, always verify. I am repeating again, never trust, always verify. It means that every person, device, and network trying to access a system must be verified twice. Let's explore the core principle. The first principle of zero trust is to verify explicitity, which means every access request explicitity. The second principle is to grant the least privilege access to user and device. For example, an employee in the marketing department should not have access to financial data. Third principle is to assume a breach has already occurred. Now I am comparing traditional security versus zero trust security. Traditional security is based on the idea of a trusted internal network and an untrusted external network. In contrast, zero trust module assumes that no one can be trusted by default, whether inside or outside the network. Next, we will discuss implementation strategy. Firstly, identify critical access. It finds, protects an important data system that needs strong security. Secondly, classify user and device. Implies that every group users and device based on their roles and risk level. Thirdly, apply least privilege. It can give each user only the access they need to do their job. Fourthly, enforce policies. It represents the use of security rules to control how user and device access resources. Finally, monitor control. It keeps watching and checking all the activities to detect and stop any threats quickly. Next, let's see why this model is important.
The question will arise in you, why zero trust is important? Because it stops cyber attacks early. It protects sensitive data. It prevents insider threats. It supports remote works. It improves overall security. Next, we will focus on its key components. There are 5 components are here. First component is least privilege access. It implies the user only get the access they need, no more. Second component is micro segmentation. It denotes to break the network into.
Please go to the implementation part now. Okay.
Sir?
Please move to the implementation work. Okay. Or a conclusion part.
Okay. Conclusion. Implementation. Let's explore the future trends in this model. First, AI and automation. Artificial intelligence will help detect and stop threats faster. Next, cloud-based security. No more zero trust system will move to the cloud for better flexibility. Improve user experience. The system will become smoother with less manual verification. It's time to conclude the topic. Zero trust is a mindset shift assuming threats exist both inside and outside the network. Zero trust follows the principle of never trust, always verify. It has continuous authentication of users, device, and application is essential. Security more adaptive, resilience, and future ready. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sarma. You are presenting the very good. The topic, the security it should be a very important one.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I would like to ask only one question. If your mobile is someone hacked, or your WhatsApp is hacked, your social media hacked, what you are doing as a first step?
To verify data inscription, sir.
For example, if meet some accident in the road, okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
what's your first step? The person is affected, okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the first step you can do? If meet some accident, okay. First thing, there are so many customer care number is there for especially for the security, okay.
Okay, sir.
So try to call 1930 or 1945. So immediately you can save your mobile phone or save your transaction has been hacked someone. There are right now a lot of online hacking is happening. Okay. So this
sir.
kind of things you can note it down and you can implement this security purpose in ML and AAA in your final year project. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good, sir.
Thank you, sir.
அப்படியே அங்க போமா இது அவங்க இப்ப நீங்க முடிச்சோன்னா அவங்க அங்க பண்ணணும் அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க
Timeline and brand report. So, shall we proceed?
Okay, you can start now. You can start.
Hello, sir. I'm 90%
So,
about.
good morning, everyone. I am SRM from SRM Institute of Technology. So, I'm going to present a paper titled "A Comparative Study of Post-Mortem Algorithm for Safe Communication." So, today's encryption systems like RSA and EEC are strong but only against normal computers. Quantum computers with higher user processing power can easily break the systems using algorithms like shards. That's where post-quantum cryptography comes into. It's designed to resist attacks from both classical and quantum computers. In our study, we compared
Jonas,
five
please
main.
present the PPT. As well as I go to the next slide. Your PPT is not
Not visible, sir.
Just you can choose as a run mode. To the next slide. Okay.
Okay, sir. Is it visible, sir? Sir?
Dhanushri, can you
Is it visible?
present your PPT?
Present your paper, ma.
Oh, okay, sir. One minute, sir.
Okay. Next. Next slide, ma. Next slide.
One minute, sir.
Okay, you can start present, ma. No problem. Okay, you can start.
Okay, sir. So that's where post-quantum cryptography comes in. So it's designed to resist attacks from both classical and quantum computers. And our goal is to help make the shift toward quantum safe communication smoother. And according so NIST has already standardized a few algorithms like fiber for key exchange and dilithium for digital signatures. So each of them has its strength. For example, fiber is faster and Falcon is perfect for smaller devices. So some studies even suggest a hybrid approach, combining PQC with classical systems to ensure a smooth transitions. And cryptography is basically the art of protecting the information. So it keeps our data safe when we bank online, send
Please
messages.
go to the conclusion or implementation part.
Okay, sure. So frequency algorithm I so let's look at the main algorithms like Kyber, Dilithium, Falcon, and Phoenix Plus. So to conclude, quantum computing is not just an innovation, it's also a major security challenge. Post-quantum cryptography provides a way to stay ahead by ensuring that even quantum computers cannot break our data protection systems. So gradually, hybrid transition will make this change practical and safe for real world use. Achha, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma. Who's the next person? Please present. Thank you, Dhanushri. Good morning.
Good morning to everyone. A warm welcome you all. I am Almas and this is my team member Monisha from 3rd BSc Computer Science. We are excited to present the online job portal topic in the International Conference on Advanced Intelligence and Emerging Technology. Together, we will share some valuable insights with you over the next few minutes. Let's dive and see what topic has in store for us. Please feel free to ask me the questions and engage in the discussion. Let's get started. Discover your dreams in online job portal topic. The online job portal topic faced many challenges like fake job postings and data protection issues. To overcome this, they must innovate and use AI to improve the job matchings and user experience. An online job portal is a website or application that allows the job seekers to search and apply for jobs, while employers can post the job openings and manage the applications easily. This portal provides a convenient and efficient way for both the parties to connect in the right fit. Abstract. Problem statement. The problem statement is a finding suitable jobs and candidates takes too much time and efforts in the manual process. Next, existing system. Early people searched for many jobs using newspapers or personal contacts. But now the proposed system, the new online systems help both the job seekers and employers connect easily and quickly them in a website. Next, I welcome my team member Monisha to continue the presentation. I am Monisha. Now I present my topic. It explains how job seeker next architecture. It explains how job seeker employers and administrators are connected and how information moves between them and the database. Employer next. Employer can create job posting, edit or delete them, and search for candidates using filter like skill, qualification, or experience. Job seeker can upload their resume, edit their qualification, update their skills, and apply for jobs that match their interest. The admin can add, edit, or remove information about job seekers, employees, and the job post.
Please go to the conclusion.
Conclusion. We used technology like PHP, JavaScript, and MySQL to build the system. It also improved our understanding of how real-world web application works. Thank you, sir.
Very good, ma'am. Monisha and Alvin. Okay. So what is the difference between there are right now, there are so many job portals available in the online. Okay. What's your proposed work? What is the existing work? What is the different?
In proposed system there is no productivity, and people search newspapers and
No, ma, right now there are so many websites there, Naukri.com, Monster.com, LinkedIn. Okay. How your project work differ from the other websites?
we are we are providing the system for college managers.
College?
We are provide
Okay, well, no problem.
okay, sir.
Okay, you can learn when you are going to present the project in your final experience. Most of the external examiner, this kind of question will ask. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Once you can prepare your resume, just you can try to upload in the Naukri.com, Monster.com, LinkedIn.com. So then only you can get some idea how you can design the projects. Okay. Who are the final year students? Very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your listening to our presentation, sir.
Okay.
Next presenter, kindly share your screen.
Good morning, sir. It's pleasure to have you here. Myself, Afrin. I am here to present my topic on online bus reservation system. Online bus reservation system is a user-friendly digital platform that allows people to book bus ticket online. This project aims to make the bus booking process faster, more reliable, and more convenient for passengers. Passenger can book tickets 24/7 without visiting a counter. It can be accessed anytime, anywhere. Let's move on the existing and the proposed system. In existing system, passenger must visit the bus station to book ticket manually. Existing system is a time-consuming process and have a higher chances of error. The main drawback of existing system is payment only done in cash at the counter. In proposed system, ticket can be booked online from anywhere, anytime. The main advantage of proposed system is secure online payment with instant ticket confirmation. Let's see some sample output pages. This is the sign up page. User enter the details like name, age, mobile number. This is the login page. User enter email ID and password. In this input page, user enter the traveling destination and date. This is the seat booking page where people can select the seat and make payment online. This is cancellation page. Let's see some sample output. In this output page is the contact page where user can see our contact information for any queries. About page, this page show our basic information. Help page, it has the toll-free number, support 24/7. Finally, let's see the output page that show available buses as per user input details. Here's the conclusion. Here's the conclusion. Online bus reservation system successfully modernized the traditional method of booking bus tickets. It provides a secure and user-friendly digital platform. Thank you.
Afrain, very good now. Okay. First of all, you can implement this project work in any machine learning concept or any other source code. Okay. You can present the work. You can implementation. You can do some implementation. Okay, Afrain. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Who's next? Start.
Next presenter, kindly share your screen.
Who's next? Please start now.
Good morning to everyone. I'm Ilekya from 3rd BAC. I'm very glad to present my PPT. The project
Please share
title,
the PowerPoint presentation. Your name is Ilekya.
yes
What's
sir.
your name?
My name is Ilekya.
Okay, Ilekya, start.
The project title is Employee Attendance and Payroll Management. Here,
Continue.
Employee Attendance and Management focus on providing a smart solution to automate HR tasks. The system is presented as an innovation to reduce manual error, improve accuracy, and make employee management more efficient. Abstract. The abstract explained the importance of attendance and payroll as the first responsibility of any organization. Traditionally, many companies still use manual systems such as attendance register and paper-based payroll calculation. These are time-consuming and inefficient. About the project, this slide introduces the project in detail. The employee attendance and management system is designed to track employee attendance, calculate salary, and generate payroll
Go to
reports.
screenshot. Go to screenshot of the project. Screenshot and conclusion. Screenshots. Okay, what is output of the project? Okay, proposed system and conclusion. You can explain the only proposed system and conclusion. Okay.
I'm Jaya. I explained the proposed system. The proposed system addressed this drawback by offering a computerized solution. It provides automated attendance tracking, payroll integration, online leave management. Role provides automated attendance tracking, payroll integration. Proposed system save time, reduce workload, minimize human errors, enhance data security, and improve transparency. Conclusion. The conclusion highlights that the employee attendance and payroll management system is an effective for a manual methods. It streamlines HR process, ensure timely salary disbursement, transparency, and support better decision making. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, very good now. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
What's the next?
So thank you, Dharmarajan sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for accepting our request.
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm Kavita B is here. I have to present.
Kavita from where?
Kavita from Chittoor, Karnataka, Tumkur University.
Okay, ma'am. You can go ahead.
Ma'am, I am waiting for other completion, ma'am.
Sir, Dharmarajan sir.
Ma'am, shall I leave?
Sir, Kavita from where, ma'am? Where are you from?
Sir, Tumkur, Karnataka.
Sir, she is waiting for the presentation, sir.
Okay, my
Okay, start Kavita.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, share your screen, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can start.
Sir, I'm sharing my screen, sir. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. It is good. You can start.
Sir. I'm Kavita B from Tiptur. I'm working as a guest lecturer in Tiptur College, Tumkur University. I'm from Karnataka, sir. I'm pursuing PhD under the guidance of Dr. Kusma Kumari BM. Sir, I'm taking a research paper on segmentation model for skin cancer detection and classification. Here I am presenting the paper on GDSA, that is Gaussian distribution spatial attention, and unit framework for segmentation and classification of skin lesion. Here, sir, shall I start with introduction or objective, sir?
Excuse me, Kavita ma'am.
Sir. Ma'am.
Kindly share your full screen, ma'am. I think it is in the mobile. Kindly share it in a full screen.
Actually, yesterday I have to present. Today I don't have systems.
Kavita, please be cool, be relaxed. You can present what you understand. There is no difficulties. What you in your paper, just you can present the point.
Sir, I'm sharing through mobile. Is it visible, sir?
No issue. No. Okay, you can start present. No problem. Carry on. Be cool, relax. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Sir, is it visible? My screen.
Visible.
Sorry, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience.
No issue. Be cool.
Okay, sir. My topic is implement a segmentation model for skin cancer detection and classification, sir. My objective is to develop an enhanced unit model with Gaussian distribution based spatial attention and evaluate this system by using the evaluation matrices, and I am using the data set of HAM 10,000 and ISIC, that is in International Skin Imaging Collaboration. From that, I am taking the secondary data for our research, sir. Here I am having my proposed method. It is having unit for the purpose of segmentation. Segmentation is nothing but dividing the images into parts. In that parts, we have to take the region of interest, that is, which is the part having a lesion. Lesion in the sense, the skin damaged, sir. After that, after the segmentation, we have to do the classification, whether it is a benign or malignant. Benign in the sense, the skin diseases which can be easily cured, and the malignant in the sense the skins which are already converted into a cancer which cannot be easily cured. I am taking my proposed method, sir. It is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes.
This is my proposed method, sir. Here I am having a GDSA unit. Here unit for it is a CNN for the purpose of segmentation, and GDSA it is having a channel selections and channel duplication and channel elimination for the classification purpose. First, we have to pre-process the data. Pre-processing in the sense, if there is a, sir, I am taking a input dermoscopic images. For these images, we have to remove the artifacts present in the images for the purpose of segmentation and classification. After that, I have to segment the images. After that, it will classify the images as a benign or malignant. So comparatively, so these are the images of cancer and also benign images, sir. Sorry, I am getting a little bit trouble, sir. Sir, this is the result sheet which is compared with my proposed method and other other CNN model, sir.
Okay, please go to the conclusion. No problem.
Sir, comparatively, it is giving my proposed method is giving a 93% and 90% and 91% in other respective statistical evaluation measures, sir. My references. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Kavita madam, you are presenting the very good one as a PhD research scholar. So I would like to share a small suggestion. Just create one full type of architecture, like what is a first stage, second stage, third stage, and the result and comparative study.
Yes,
Another thing,
sir.
you can right now in the lot of AI tools and technology which plays a vital role, especially for the implementation part. Another thing,
Yes, sir.
be cool, be relaxed to handle this session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye. Is it okay? Shall I finish the session or anybody is waiting? No problem.
Sir, Dharmarajan sir, thank you for your valuable.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Shall I leave? Thank you, Vanur. Thank you for the all.
Thank you, sir.
Organized members. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Left the meeting. Kindly let all of you kindly.